To interact with the wolves was even more amazing than I had anticipated that it would be.
We got to go on a hike and watch them run free and interact together and play.
I come here and it's just so incredibly transformational that then I apply it to my life. And then when I feel like I'm starting to kind of forget the lessons that I've learned, I come back.
What resonated with me with both WolfTribe and Apex was an understanding and some clarity about our role. And so I know where I fit in, but now I know where I can grow.
It's amazing what they're doing here. It's hard not to come and be part of it because the energy is just so incredible.
Everyone should have an opportunity, if they can, to visit these amazing creatures.